Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a Snapchat account and use the Snapchat account very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Play Store and write here Snapchat and then install it and open. After that, click on sign up options and then click on allow. Write here your name. After that, click on continue and then select your birthday. After that, click on continue. You can also change your username by click on change username. So you can change it and also select from here username suggestion. So after changing or selecting suggestion username, click on continue. So after that, write here password. After that, click on continue and then write here your email address. If you do not want to write your email address, then write here phone number. So you can write according to you. So after writing, click on continue. Here you can select contact as a friend. So click on add friends and then click on continue. And here you can add your profile. So after that, if you want to add later, then click on skip options. So after that, you can see chat options, click on it. And then you can chat anyone. So if you want to add friends, then click on add friend. So from here, you can add friends. So if you want to chat them, then click on that person. So after that, write here text and then click on send options. So if you want to send any pictures or videos, you can select here and you can send here. If you want to send audio message, then press the microphone options and hold it, and your audio message will be recorded and it will send to this person's. So if you want to send location, then click on plus options and you can send current location and share live location from here. If you want to send any emojis, you can send any emojis from here. So in this way, you can create a Snapchat account and use the Snapchat account very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.